Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about how to secure your M&A transaction with a virtual data room. So guys, let's start. Information discussed and shared during M&A transaction is always highly sensitive. Something that information include texts that are the crux of the entire deal. It's imperative that nothing slips. And that the crux of the entire deal is imperative that nothing slips and falls into the wrong hands. In the roast case scenario, a leak cloud stop a transaction. In this blog, we discuss how modern virtual data room can help you overcome these challenges and keep M&A activity secure. What is a virtual data room? A virtual data room is an online space where you can put key documents about your company before a sale or merger. Once you have set up your room, you can enable other parties, such as the potential buyers, to access the documents in a controlled manner. Typically, you will populate your virtual data room with documents like contracts, intellectual property information, employee information, financial statements, and much more. Essentially, virtual data rooms are the natural digital progression from old-style physical rooms that are located on premises and hold physical paper-based documents. Like most digital transformation, they also offer great flexibility that can transfer from transform process. For example, when an M&A is cloud consolidated, it's easy to export the entire data room, complete with files, Q&A history of index, and create a legal archive of the process that can be used in case of retrospective claims and queries further down the line. So guys, that's it. Hope you all understand this topic. Thank you everyone, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.